Hello, Seagull 2 and Seagull 3. I'm glad we are back on this beach so we can do a seagull count of how many fishes we were able to gather. I'll start. 0.
Shame. I have to report that I also sadly managed to get 0. Yes, exactly 0 fish.
Same here.
Seagull 3. How in God's name did you manage to get 0?
What in the Ocean Princess Palace are you talking about? You and 2 also managed to get precisely 0.
Yes, but you also managed to get 0 the last 2 times we did a seagull count, so it was your turn to squawk in.
Really?
Yes.
Squawk in?
Yes.
Is that the seagull version of lock in?
I believe so.
Wow, that's really the best you could do, writer?